Hey guys, this is Jom and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, I am engineer Shiv Raja Babu, CEO and founder at Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So before explaining the professional training program of RCC building design using the Tekla structural designer, which is a 30-hour schedule, I would like to tell you about Civil Raja and me. So, Civil Raja is a leading building consultancy firm dedicated to providing comprehensive services in architectural planning for residential and commercial buildings, structural design, 3D modeling, and estimation. With a commencement of excellence, we also specialize in training civil engineering professionals and architects, equipping them with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in the dynamic field of building consultancy. So about me, I have over 7 years of invaluable experience in the realm of building consultancy, and my journey is commenced with BTech degree from the KIT University Bhubaneswar, Odisha, laying the foundation for a career marked by the innovation, expertise, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Our key competencies are architectural planning, structural design, 3D modeling, and estimation. Our mission is to be your gateway to future, embodying a commitment to shaping a sustainable and visionary built environment. We strive to empower professionals and enthusiasts alike through cutting-edge training and consultancy services. Along with our consultancy services, we also provide the training services. So, Civil Raja is a knowledge hub, and I lead the training program for the civil engineering professional architects, sharing the insights, industry best practices, and hands-on experience to foster the growth and expertise in the field. If you want to connect me, you can contact me through the LinkedIn or email or phone number. So all the informations are given over here, and I will share this PDF with you also. Now, about our training program of Tekla Structural Designer, we are focusing on the RCC building design. So if you are expecting the steel design or bridge design, this is not the course for you. Our expertise is in RCC building design. So we have modeled our course according to that. So in the first module, actually I have divided this whole course in 6 modules, and in the first module you will know about the Tekla structural designer, what it is, what is its role, and what are the career opportunities that you will get after learning this course. Then we will understand the interface of Tekla structural designer. Then we will move to the software, and where we will create the model. We will define the grid lines and labels. We will learn how to model the RC walls, columns, and beams. Then we will work with the various types of slabs, and then we will learn about the modeling of the foundation, and we will also understand the model releases. In the third module, we will learn how to apply the gravity load, floor loads, roof loads, seismic loads, and wind load. So after like before applying all these loads, we will also study the IS codes. Okay, so IS 875 part 1, 2, 3 is included over there. Then we will also understand IS 1893 part 1, which is the code for the earthquake load on buildings. Then the load combination is automatically generated by the software, so we do not need to worry much about that. But if you want, then I will also cover it via the IS code, so which is the code of IS 875 part 5, the load combination code. Then after understanding all the loads and how the loads are calculated, like the wall load calculation and all other load calculations, after understanding those, we will apply the loads in this module. After that, we will go for the module 4, which is the analysis. There, we will understand the different types of analysis, then what are the analyzing model behavior. Then we will learn how to view and interpret analysis results. We will learn how to resolve the stability issues. And finally, we will understand slab and wall results. After that, we will jump to fifth module, where we will learn how to design the RC members. I hope you already know what are the reinforced concrete members. Then we will learn and understand the design process, what are the different design process. Then we will learn the designing of the model, auto and manual design process, slab design, and foundation design is also covered in this course. And after that, we will also cover the staircase design. Now, this is something that you may learn in other training institutes also. Over here, What is our specialization? We focus on the outputs. We do not just train you over the softwares. We focus on creating the structural drawing, which is our final output. So in the module 6, we will learn how to create the detailed structural drawing. Then we will also learn how to create the schedules and reports, which is the thing that you need to provide to your client. And if you will have the few years of experience, then you will get the government projects also, and there you need to generate the reports, or you can say present the reports in before the IIT professors or NIT professors or any recognized institutes professors. Now, what is the benefit of joining our live training program? So all the sessions will be live and the recordings of the sessions will be available for you for lifetime. Then you will also get the personalized WhatsApp group. And the fourth benefit is the live projects for practice. So after completing one project in this particular course, I will also give you a few live projects to practice. Then I will also provide the class notes that I will create before you in this particular training program itself. The mode of training is live, and it will be a live online class and one-to-one session. It will not be a batch of students. So you and me will be there only in the training program. And the course fee for this is 20,000 rupees, which you have to pay in advance. Okay. After joining the course, what can you expect? You can expect yourself to design a building accurately, economically, and as well as it will be safe. Okay. So guys, that's all about this course, and the course schedule is for 30 hours. So go ahead and join the course. I will see you inside the professional training. Thank you guys.